Hey guys, Ed here, and today in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your turn signal in a 2015 GMC Terrain. So let's start. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood. Find the latch, move it to the right and raise up. Now I'll show you on this side how we do this. You have 3 clips, 1, 2 and 3. So what you have to do, you have to remove the middles with a screwdriver like this and get out the clip. 1, 2. So usually the middle comes out and then comes the rest of it. So just put it here so we don't lose it. And 3. Get out the middle, then the clip. So we have the clips out. Now over here we just raise up this plastic, fold it over, and here we have access to our turn signal right here, this one. So we just spin it and pull out. Okay, that's it. Now if we have to replace it, we just take the bulb with our hands, pull it off, just pull it out, take the new bulb, put it in. You can get your bulb at the dealer or parts store, online or whatever. Just type in whichever car you have and make, model, year, and that you need the turn signal bulb, and the options will come up online for you. So then when we have replacement one, just wiggle it back in, find the correct position, because there are 3 notches around them. Okay, once it goes in, you just spin it till it clicks and it should hold. Close this thing. How do we put the clips back in? Just put, first you put the middle, the bottom, and then you put the top, the middle piece. That's it. 1, 2 and 3. As you can see, simple. Everyone can do this. In less than 3 minutes you will do it. So if this helps, please press like and have a great day. Bye.